Hey everyone, I went to a new Dollar Tree yesterday and they had a lot of new stuff, so I'm going to be showing you all the Halloween, some of the fall stuff, and also just some off stuff that I picked up. So first of all, of course, is this cute little box, which I think is cute with flowers in it. So I bought some of these flowers, which, let's see, these are hydrangeas. And then we have your spooky ones that have the spider in it. These are just called, these are daisies. How pretty are they? Ah, look at those. Got some sparkles on the spiders. And you can spread those out a little bit too. And then I got the roses, which are really pretty with the eyeball in it. So let's look at those. They're pretty. Okay, and then I just usually just put them all like in one of these cute little boxes. And then you have a cute little arrangement. I'll put some over here. And there you have it. Isn't that cute? There's the flowers. And here is the box. But look how pretty these are. And you can just have something for your table, quick and easy. This is definitely a 1-minute craft, so how about that? Okay, so that's the boxes. And you know these cute little tubs are great for cookies. These are like little Halloween tubs. You can put a lot in it. Cookies. You put your candies in there. This was the little pumpkin one. And this was the witchy one. How cute is that? Also, they had the little different color apothecary jars, which I got some the other day, but all I had was orange. So I found some black ones, some purple ones, and some orange ones. And like I said, you can put bones in there. You know how you get those little bones? You can fill it with the bones. You can fill it with eyeballs. It's got a pretty much, which I will show you in one of my videos. And you can put labels on there. Hopefully I can get my daughter to print out some Halloween labels today. So there is those. Then I got these, which say poison and poison. I mean, you could probably fill this with some food coloring and put some red in there to make it look like blood. I'm not sure if you could put one of those smoky things in it so smoke comes out of it, but it's something to look at because these are plastic. So I'm not sure if that would really work, but you can certainly try it and maybe it would. Okay, then they had these cute little jars, as you can see. This one says bone dust. I don't know if you can see it because it's done in like a gold type. You probably can't see it. And then there is this one, which says zombie repellent. I know you can see this one. So they're cute. You can fill those with candies. Those candy corns would look cute in this too. Okay, next we have all these signs. They have some great signs. So let's look at the signs first. They had this one which says Black Cat Cauldron Supply. I'm trying to get the glare off of that. And that sort of hangs like that. I'll probably show you in a picture because it's hard to see on this table. But there it is. And it says Full Moon Transformation Tonic, Vampire Venom, and Mummified Bones. I love their signs this year. They got a little scarier with their signs, which is so cool. Okay, this one was really big. And this one is like, it's got the bats on it. It's got some glitter on it. It's got the little ghost. You can see it. How cool is that? That's cool. I need to get my daughter back because she's always the one that laughs. So. This one says, enter if you dare. So this one's pretty cool too. Enter if you dare. How cool is that? Okay. And then we got the little solar stakes, which I think are really cool. I think we had these last year, but I'm not sure, but they have different colors. I actually got all the same color. So I got 4 or 5 of these, and they're all like, they're really cute little, I guess, flowers, which I really like. And then they have, I didn't find this the other day, but they had the black, which I used, and they have the orange, and I found the purple today. But these are really nice. These are great to put around frames. So they're pretty cool. Of course, we got the creepy cloth. They have gray and they have black. I got the little ornaments for the tree I got the other day. I think these are pretty cool too. And I got these little, it's a garland of little ghosts. And then I got the little mushrooms to put on things. Let me come around here and put some of this over here so we can reach it. Okay, then I got the little crypts or the coffins. You can use it as a container because they open up. You could definitely use these in some fun DIYs. And then they had one that was like a purplish. I don't know if you see that it's purple. Okay, here's another cute little sign. It's just, this one stands up on its own. It says pick your portion. Poison, I'm sorry, pick your poison. And this is for, it's like a candy dispenser. It would have to be really, really small candy, like Skittles or something. And you can see the hole in there, M&Ms or Skittles, and then it comes out. It's like a little pumpkin. Of course, the skull heads, which I love. They have the purple, which I showed the last time. Now they sort of have a green one. Then they had the green moss one, which I showed in the last video. Now they have a black one, which I will open up so you can see the color. I think it probably gets a little messy. That's why it's in, I think it probably catches everything. But how cool is he? He is really cool. And he's like a velour type. It's kind of scary because it's all black. But yeah, you can see him. There he is. Okay, then they had some Halloween 3D erasers. These are for my kids for school. I love these. And then they just had some felt shapes that you could probably let the kids draw on their little ghost. Maybe get some squiggly eyes and have them decorate them. And then, let's see, we have some really cute flowers, which are mini mums. my daughter wanted. I have to bring you back in. You want to hand these to me? Because it's much easier. And that way she can laugh because she's really funny.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You make it much more fun. Okay. So we had made her a wreath, which we haven't finished yet. We've had some more stuff to put on it. So we're sort of excited about that. Found these cute little sunflowers. Look how pretty they are. Great looking sunflowers. Of course, you saw the burlap pumpkins. And we got the orange burlap pumpkins, which are cute. And then we found these cute acorns. Look how cute these are. You get like 10 of them, which is not a bad price for acorns. Right, Angelina?
Not a bad price at all.
Okay, then I went ahead and got some of these bows because I thought they're smaller. I usually make the big ones, but these are pretty cute for $1.25. And then I have these bows, and then I got some ribbon. How pretty the ribbon is. Got some ribbon. These are cute. This is Fall Splendor. Okay. All right, now this, they probably have this, but I just never noticed it before. But they have these round serving trays, which I think, I mean, I've never gone back to the serving area, but look how cute these are. Aren't they cute? I love the little rim around it. It's like a scallop edge. Yeah, scalloped edge. But I thought I'm going to do some DIYs with them. But look, if you glue these two together, you'd have a reversible tray. You can do one for fall, maybe one for scary things. All right, I love these. These I use all the time. These markers, 3 of them for $1.25. I use these all the time. They're great. Then I love their plasticware if I can get the big ones. This actually holds 16 cups, and it's really big, so I got a lot of these because, you know, Thanksgiving's coming, cookies, banana cakes. Yeah, look how nice that is. It's pretty big. And then I got this jar, which you can always do some fun stuff with jars. You can get the labels. You can decorate it with rub-on transfers or even clings and then Mod Podge over it. And this one's more of a heavy-duty one. I think the last ones I used were pretty light. Then I have door covers, which I thought was pretty cool. Window decorations, which you can use in your DIYs. Look at these. These are like gels. They're so cool. These are window decorations, but they're really thick. Feel that? Isn't that weird? They're like gels.
It is weird.
Okay. Ooh, I didn't realize I got this one. This is a car windows claim. We are definitely going to do that. Did you notice that? I never noticed that. I just picked up a bunch. It's a car window clean that you put on your car. That's pretty scary. You know that? And then, of course, bats. Lots of bats that you can use in your DIYs. And that is it for the Jollity haul. If you would subscribe, that would be wonderful. Hit the like button and the notification bell. And I've got one coming from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to add on some wreaths that I found at Joann's for like 90% off. So please stay tuned for the next video. And you guys have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself and each other, and we love you. Bye.